there, it's Perry with Paper Crafting Threads. Today I have an unboxing for you. I have the latest paper pumpkin kit, Time for Cake, August 2024. We have a Night of Navy Stampin' Spot, 2 stamp sets, okay, here are the stamp sets. So we have our free year after year numbers, which are fabulous. And then the Time for Cake stamp set. Beautiful fonts. Love these candles and the balloons and the little sparkle for the candle. So we have It's Time for Cake, Lost Count, Make a Wish, Celebrate, Happy Birthday. This is a great, great, great birthday set. And this is the instruction sheet. And these cards are fantastic. And the coordinating colors this month are Moody Mauve, Night of Navy, Pecan Pie, Petal Pink, Pretty in Pink, Wild Wheat, and Rose Gold. Oh, I love this rose gold thread. Look at that shine. And mini dimensionals. And this is, looks like a card, there's something on here. It comes right off. So this looks like a partial card front. Cute patterns on these balloons. This one's my favorite. A little vine pattern. And that's nice that it's on blue instead of a green. Look at these envelopes. Oh, such fun patterns. This would be great to chop up and then mix and match them together on one project. And here's one card base, so there's 3 of these with a nice giant piece of cake. Here is the fold out piece. Oh, look at this. This is fantastic. Great to use as is or to cut up to make lots and lots of cards. And another card base with like little fireworks or sparkles on there. And die cut labels, 2 sheets of those. And there's 6 of each, like with confetti and that vine pattern and then some flowers. And we have our glue dots and die cut. No, is this die cut? I think this is these are stickers, word stickers. Yes, word stickers. And some more labels. I like this with a little bit of blush on there, on the ends. Oh wow, look at these. So we have a rose gold fork, balloons, and the little candle flame sparkle. So with this kit, we have 2 of the standard type card base. And then this functions as the 3rd card base with this folding out. Be sure to check back on my channel for my alternatives. Thanks for watching. Bye.